Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me. I hope, as always, you guys are having the most amazing day. Today, guys, I wanted to share with you something that I bought this year when I was in Canada. I have been to Comic Cons locally, but they're very kind of scaled back versions of the Fan Expo, which is the Comic Con that I attended in Canada in Toronto this year. They had amazing guests. They had the guy from The Punisher. They had Cobra Kai. They had anime. They had everything. So super excited. But as I was walking around the stalls, I saw that they had this Demon Slayer $40 mystery bag, and I decided to purchase it. So I'm going to show you guys what's inside because it is so good, such great value. So $40, not really sure what that converts to into sterling, probably 26, 27 pound, but I'm going to show you guys what I got. So first of all, you got the bag, which I think is great because it's a little drawstring bag. It's probably not worth a whole lot, but anyway, it's still pretty good. So first thing I got was this little bag charm. It is Tanjiro, and then it has his little, it looks like almost like a bun, like a cream puff or something. But you have got Tanjiro on the front, and then you have his little butt on the back. It is super duper squishy. And guys, just to let you know, these are all properly licensed merch. So we got that. There are things at the bottom. So guys, this was the Fan Expo 2023. This is Murder by Meal Fan Expo in Canada on the Saturday. Our date was, don't remember the date, but the day was Saturday. Oh, I do. It's right here. Saturday, the 26th of August. So that was our Fan Expo. I didn't get that inside the bag. I got that as when I went into the Fan Expo. I got this little character here. I'm not really sure if who this little character is. I know his name. I just cannot remember. I just can't remember. You guys let me know in the comment section. But this is a little rubber licensed Bandai. The silicone keychain. I'm trying to think what this guy's name is. It'll come back to me. Guys, let me know in the comment section below. I also got a little minifig. And guys, I know what this girl's name is. It's like Mitsu. I can't pronounce it. So you guys in the comment section, let me know. But I thought this little minifig was adorable. I love the pink and green hair. I love that she's carrying her little sword. It is just a tiny little figure, but packs a lot of punch because she is beautiful. And these are really, I always do that in things. I always clink things off my ring so you guys can hear. But this is made of plastic. It's made of really decent plastic. It is quite sturdy. There's a little tiny bit of weight to it. But how beautiful is she? How beautiful is she? Love the little braid in her hair. So I got that little fig. Oh, guys, and as well, this little figure you can change. So you can have her little feet as standing or you can have her as sitting. When I was assembling her, I thought she looked cuter sitting. So I made her sit, but you do get the extra little bit to allow her to stand. That she is too cute and too adorable. I'm saving the big one for last because I'm super excited about showing you guys it. The next thing I got was this. This is again Tanjiro. And this looks to me, and I don't know about the rest, but this looks to me like it is a Kuji prize. Again, it's licensed Bandai products. So these were all made in Japan, which is, I think, the part that I love the most. Apart from liking Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer is definitely not my favorite. My favorite is One Piece. And I don't know if you guys have watched the live action One Piece. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But I pretty much liked it. I think Zoro is definitely my favorite. Also helps that he's kind of cute. But this looks to me like a Kuji prize. If you guys don't know what Kuji prizes are, they're like a Japanese lottery, but it's not lottery for money, it's lottery for prizes. So they'll have Demon Slayer, One Piece, My Hero Academia, Tokyo Revengers, Twisted Wonderland. So they'll have an individual lottery for each one of these. I think it's like 750 yen, which is like $7.50, which would probably be around maybe £5 for us. Not really sure. That's a rough calculation. So I think that's what these are. These are Kuji prizes, Japanese lottery prizes. And you can see it's made by Bandai Spirits and it's made in Japan. So this is definitely something that was bought as part of a lottery, or someone has bought these in bulk when the lottery didn't sell out. But this is like almost like a little sake cup, which I think is adorable. It, again, like I said, it is Tanjiro, but you can get lots of other ones that are on the back. I don't know if that's clear enough, but there are different styles. I think 3 different types. I'm really glad I got this one because I love Tanjiro. He's not my favorite character. My favorite character is going to come next. So do stay tuned. So this is a beautiful ceramic little cup glass, sake glass. I'm not really sure what you would call that, but I really, really like that. And guys, there's one more item in here and it is my favorite. And I think that I definitely hit the jackpot with this this $40 mystery bag, because not only is this character my favorite, I got a licensed, made in Japan, Bandai figure, right? And I'm going to show you guys. I'm so excited. This is the figure that I got. Guys, I'm not going to open this figure. I know that you might be disappointed, but I do like to keep my figures when they come in boxes. And this is Nezuko. Nezuko is my favorite character in all of Demon Slayer. These are vinyl. I believe these are vinyl. These are vinyl figures. They're, like I said, they're licensed product. They're made in Japan. And how beautiful is Nezuko? She is stunning. It does. Look at this. Look at this. I guess I don't know if that's super clear for you. I hope it is. But look at her. She is stunning. I love this figure. I do love the Tanjiro one as well. I think it is cute, and I'm kind of sad that I didn't buy more than one of these bags. I really wish I had of, but I didn't. And for us to buy these types of figures, I know that you can get these figures relatively cheap enough when you go to Canada and America. I don't live there, or I would have every one of them. Where we live is just too far, so we have to have these things exported in, and the prices they're super expensive. So for a $40 bag, I really do think I got a cracking bargain. Like, look at all these items. I never would have been able to buy the Kuji prize anywhere outside of Japan or America. So I'm super excited I got those. I got two figures. Even the one's a little mini. Nezuko, which is my favorite. Tanjiro, right here. And this little guy. Tell me who this guy's name is. Is it Zenitsu? Did that just come to me? I think this... Does it say Zenitsu on the back? Oh, no, this is a Kuji prize. Guys, so I believe that this is also a Kuji prize. Normally the Kuji prizes say they're Kuji prizes, so this one definitely does. This is an F. This one is probably lower than the F. So this is also a Kuji prize. And I think this is Zenitsu, and I think he is adorable. I don't believe that this is... I'm seeing this for the first time. So this is a Kuji prize. This is a lottery prize. And this is actually the A prize, which is the highest, the best prize that you can get in the entire lottery. So I think I've done pretty darn well for everything that I got as part of this $40 mystery bag at the Fan Expo in Toronto in 2023. If you guys have ever been to a Fan Expo before in Canada, let me know. Let me know what your experience was. I think they did an excellent job. I think it was well organized. What I didn't like, my only didn't like, was that the amount of money that you pay to meet the stars, I think, was a little high. But that's not even the thing that bothered me the most. The thing that bothered me the most was, I can understand that you pay to have your photo taken with the star and get their autograph. That I kind of understand, because you got to pay these guys for their time, and that's okay. What I didn't like was that you couldn't actually even take photographs from a distance. So, not like take a selfie as such, but take a photo from the distance. We've never experienced that, where I am, and where I've been to Comic Cons here in my home country or in the UK. So that to me was, it just kind of felt a little wrong. You should be able to take photos, even from a distance. And if you want to personally meet the person, like a meet and greet, then you should be able to pay additional to do that. That's just my thoughts. You guys let me know in the comment section what you think. I didn't kind of get, I guess I have one more thing. I didn't kind of rate the meet and greets. You paid a lot of money, maybe $160, $170 for a meet and greet, and it really wasn't a meet and greet at all. It was someone took your photo, you were quickly brought in, you didn't speak to them, they didn't really speak to you, and then the next person was just kind of cattled in. I kind of thought it would have been better if you were slotted maybe a couple of minutes to say hi, how are you, whatever. That didn't happen. Anyway, it was still a great day. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have attended any, and let me know what you think. In the interim, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I love all of my prizes. Let me know what you guys think. And if you would so kindly like this video and share and hopefully subscribe, I would love to have you here. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Please stay safe and have an amazing day. Take care, everybody. Bye.